The FDA's approval of the Pfizer vaccine is expected to open the door for additional vaccine mandates. One day after that approval, Aurora Public Schools has announced all teachers must be vaccinated. Tori Mason talked with the district superintendent tonight, and Tori, employees could actually lose their jobs if they don't get a shot.
That's right, but this shouldn't be coming as a surprise to anyone at APS. They announced this mandate was coming months ago. The superintendent told me he hasn't personally received any pushback from employees. In fact, he says APS has a really high vaccination rate.
I've lost a lot of money trying to bet on what happens with COVID right now.
Superintendent Rico Munn has made a lot of tough decisions to keep students learning and safe. Requiring that school staff be vaccinated was an easy choice.
We really wanted to make sure that we could set up structures and conditions that maintain our in-person learning environments as consistently as possible.
Not only will teachers be protected around unvaccinated students, Munn says the added layer of safety will keep classrooms from sitting empty.
And it may have led to the fact that we have had a lot fewer families take advantage of the remote opportunity than we anticipated.
98% of students opted for in-person learning. APS was the first to require the vaccine, but they didn't rush staff to get it. The FDA approval of Pfizer came just in time.
Under the emergency use authorization, it was a debate as to whether or not employers could mandate it. We wanted to be very clear that we wanted to, follow the law and respect people's individual rights.
However, it's not a right to work at Aurora Public Schools.
They'd be subject to discipline as they would be for any condition of employment. So it might be suspension or it might be termination.
So if there's someone who has a medical reason or a religious reason for not getting the vaccine, they can apply for an exemption. Otherwise, all staff must be fully vaccinated by October 7th. We're live in Aurora. Tori Mason covering Colorado First.